Good evening guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to operate Australia's job portal, which is seek.com.au. It's a very important website if you are coming to Australia and you want to apply for any casual job or part-time job or full-time job. It depends on you. So let's get started. So first you have to click on job search. And it will take you to this place, to this section of the website. Here you have to search for any sort of jobs that you're looking for. Suppose you are looking for the job of kitchen hand, suppose. Then you have to just press as kitchen hand, and over here you have to just say you're living in Clayton, and for classification you have to click on the hospitality industry, and then you have to click on as done. Once you did that, and then you have to click on seek. So it will show you what sort of positions are there, what sort of jobs are available. In this case you can see that there is 534 jobs, and here you have to just scroll down and you will see the various jobs like childcare kitchen hand in Truganina, in western suburbs in Melbourne, or you're looking for jobs as assistant manager is there, and part-time kitchen hand in Bettingley East is there, and another part-time job kitchen hand in Clayton. So these are all the websites. So this is one of the very fast and sure way to just apply for jobs, and per day you can apply for 100 to 200 jobs, and you can expect the call from them if you are really lucky, or alternatively you can just go to the restaurants in that particular area and you can just drop your CV over there or resume over there, and hopefully if they like your skill and if they like your personality, they might hire you. So you can always look for that. And other jobs which are available, I have to just show you that. So if you're looking for say part-time, full-time one, you can, and this website will search and will present you that various jobs like this one, French barista chefs are wanted in Melbourne CBD. You can just click that if you are from the hospitality background and you have done the cookery course in Australia. Suppose this is a restaurant bistro Sosoi, and it features about the hotel, qualification, experience required, and the responsibility and tasks they can expect from you. And these are the questions, and then you can apply for the jobs. Apply for this job here by clicking this button. And other jobs which are available, there are various jobs. In Australia, it's not that there's only hospitality industry like kitchen hand is only there. You can go for the one I did when I was there. I did the packer one, pick packer. This is the one which I did. So it comes under, it doesn't come in hospitality industry, but you can look for this one, and you can check it out. You can check it out in manufacturing and logistics, and then you have to just click done and go for seek. Then it will show you 544 jobs which are showing around 1550 kilometers of Clayton, which is a suburb. So you can get the warehouse packing and stacking one. You can go for warehouse counter sales, pick packer, this one in Moorabbin, and Blackburn is there, pick and packer. Suppose if you go for this one, warehouse pick and packer Blackburn, so you can go for this one, and this is the company name, which you can just see it out, and it's Allegion Australia Private Limited, and it's in eastern suburbs of Melbourne. So you can go through the advertisement that we are a team of experts with common goals and all that, and it has the tasks and responsibilities, and this is the experience that they require. So you have to just consider that you have all the responsibilities with you. I mean, even if you don't have the experience, you have to just pretend that you have the experience, and then you can follow these guidelines. And another important thing that is mentioned over here is that all candidates must be Australian or New Zealand citizen or PR holders. So if you are from India, if you are from South Asia, Asian countries, so it might be difficult for you to just grab this opportunity because you're not PR. If you are PR, then you can easily apply for jobs. Even for international students, you can go for this website. It's very useful website. So I thought that you can take the benefit out of it. And if you are looking for other jobs, this is the one which I'm talking about. Dandenong is a very famous area in Melbourne, which is very famous for the South Asian communities which are well settled over there. So you can go for this one. They require the full-time warehouse assistant pick packer in Dandenong South, and here you can, if the international students have this rule that they can work 20 hours doing their studies, and if they are on their vacation, and if there's some break in their studies, they can go for any unlimited time and unlimited hours. So you can always go for this, apply for this job by clicking here, apply for this job, and the full-time rate is $15. So right now $15 is the minimum one which is going on, so $25 is the average hour rate over there. So you can easily check it out, and here in below you can see what sort of jobs you have applied. You can also check for the career advice. So this is a very useful website which you can just check it out. So that's it for now. I hope that you would have liked this video. So do like and subscribe the channel, and so that I can bring more of such videos very soon. Thank you so much.